Good morning. This is Miss Altizer, and all my English 3 students. We've got a special little PowerPoint or G slide that I've created for y'all to do today. We're going to go and we're going to look at your classwork. For all 3 classes of English 3, there is going to be a new set of vocabulary warm-up for you to do for attendance today through vocabulary.com. That will make sure that I mark you present, so you need to make sure and try to get it done before business today, before end of business, try to get it done before 5. Okay, we're going to be getting ready to work on your finished published draft for your story. You should have your ratiocination and your peer review done. Between those and some conferencing I will do with y'all, and I left y'all notes with your stories. You should know what to do to correct your story and improve it to make it even better. The big thing that I wanted to talk to y'all today is about your reading assignment. It's very short. It's only 1 chapter. It's just like 4 pages. I've got everything in this presentation for you. There is what we've used this several times, Pear Deck, so that you can kind of interact with your presentation, and Pear Deck will store your answers. There's a presentation here you just sign into. I also added some information. There are some words that are used in the story called Glass Castle that you may not understand. For example, the word Georgian, like Georgian art, has nothing to do with the state Georgia. In fact, it's nothing to do with this country. So I wanted you to see some of the stuff that was referred to. And this is a very good story about, or very good YouTube video about understanding the artwork of Pablo Picasso. So anyways, that's there to kind of help you understand the background of when they're explaining or describing something. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to do this presentation. Oops, You've got this PowerPoint right here about Glass Castle, first chapter only. It's going to give you information about the author, and it's also going to tell you that you're going to be annotating or marking, doing note-taking strategies on the first chapter. We made it Pear Deck so that you guys can actually use highlighting features on, these are actually like picture images. So the highlighting feature in Pear Deck will allow you, even though it's a picture, to use your highlighter just like a marker and mark on it as you will. And this is the color coding that I've given it. Your colors may vary a little bit. If it does, you can actually put your color next to my colors so that we know what each of your colors stood for. This is also going to be notes for your next test, and it'll be notes eventually for your semester test. So this is information that you're going to want to keep all semester. There are questions after each page to kind of help keep you focused on the story and some of the things that you should have grabbed or understood in that page. So it's all in here. It's all organized for you. So there's only four pages, and then you have the questions to answer, and when you're done, you just submit it. Okay, so it is set up as a Pear Deck. It is set up as a asynchronous lesson so that you do it at your student pace, not my pace. But you're going to want to get it done by tomorrow. If you have any problems with making it work, Pear Deck is kind of new to all of us, so if for some reason it's not letting you in or anything like that, just let me know. I'll be around, and I will help you out and do any kind of tech search for you to figure out why. But it has been working pretty good for us so far, and it will save your answers, and we'll get to see a little bit of everybody's answers. Okay, so if you have any questions, again, let me know, and I will put it back right here. This is going to be your big new thing for today, or for the first part of this week. And then as we go to your meeting on Wednesday, we'll get into your story and some of that kind of stuff. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see you on Wednesday.